Alright, let's check news.
Mga kababayan, kahit walang calamity, bibigyan ko po kayo ng ayuda every Friday para may pangsangyup kayo tuwing weekend.
Solid to ah. Sana totoo.
What if what you're seeing isn't real?
Bes, check mo to. Trending to ngayon. Ang daming shares libreng samgyup every Friday daw galing kay Senator.
Seryoso ba yan? Pero parang random naman ng ayuda. Pang samgyup talaga?
Baka bagong program nila. Malay mo.
Mukhang legit naman. Pero parang may something off.
AI can now generate videos, voices, and posts that look completely real.
Wait lang. Play mo nga ulit. Napansin mo ba? Parang may distortions yung video Tapos yung mga tao sa likod parang robotic or edited nga eh.
Ha? Hindi ko napansin ah. Parang normal lang sa akin kanina.
Tsaka, ba't walang logo ng news station? Usually pag ganyan, for sure, mababalita naman yan.
Oo nga no. Wala rin akong nakitang source. Basta nakita ko lang sa feed ko. Ang dami na agad nag-share.
What you just saw is called an AI-generated misinformation. Recently, a video spread online about a senator giving out free ayuda every Friday for samgyup. But that video was fake.
With artificial intelligence, people can now create fake videos or deepfakes, fake voices that sound real, fake announcements, and even fake social media posts.
Mas mabilis pa to sa MRT, mga iha! Huwag niyo akong gayahin, may rayuma ako pero adventurous pa rin.
And because it sounds exciting, like free food or money, people believe it quickly. They don't stop to ask and think, is this even real?
Hello po. Ako ay AI-generated lamang. Think twice and analyze bago mag-share.
Ginawa kami gamit ang AI. Astig, di ba?
Pero tandaan, ang mga AI videos ay maaaring gamitin para manlinlang.
Palaging maging alerto.
Hawakan mo ang kamay ko. Ayoko. Kilala kita. Ikaw si kamatayan. Grabe. Ang talino mo naman.
Mga kababayan, kahit walang calamity, bibigyan ko po kayo ng ayuda every Friday para may pangsangyup kayo tuwing weekend.
Even simple fake content can spread fast. It creates false hope, confusion, and misinformation.
Hala, na-share ko na yata to sa group chat namin. Nakakaya kung fake pala.
Here's how you can protect yourself.
First, check the source. Galing ba sa official page? Second, look closely. May weird movements ba sa face or lips? Third, verify. Lumabas ba sa legit news? And most importantly, don't trust viral posts quickly.
So kahit mukhang legit, kailangan pa rin i-check.
Yes, kasi ngayon, seeing is not always believing.
Guys, sorry, fake pala yung video na na-share ko kanina. Next time, magche-check muna ako and analyze bago mag-share.
AI is powerful. But it can also mislead.
So think critically.